Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Joywin Wi-Fi extender setup not connecting and login issue. So guys, to fix this, first of all plug in Joywin extender. So first of all plug your extender into a power outlet, then turn the power switch to on. After that, wait until the indicator lights become stable, and it's take around 30 to 60 seconds. Then connect the Joywin Wi-Fi on your phone, tablet or computer. Open Wi-Fi setting, look for the network similar to the Joywin like this, then connected your Joywin network. After that, step 3, open the setup page. Open the Chrome Safari browser and type this IP address. Here you see this is the local address. Then you can set up, and where you can go and enter the default password, ID password. If ID password is not matched, so behind your router here where you can check. Okay, then guys, after that you scan for your home Wi-Fi. So extender will scan for the nearly wireless network, so wait for the available network to appear and find your main home Wi-Fi network. Then guys, enter your Wi-Fi password. Enter the Wi-Fi password for the main Wi-Fi network in the pre-shared key and double check the password carefully and click the option of keep setting. Step 6 is connected to the extended Wi-Fi. So after the extender reset, open your device Wi-Fi setting again. Your Wi-Fi name 2G and your Wi-Fi name 5G, and connect it to the appropriate extended network using your original Wi-Fi password. After that, check that the extender works. So connect your phone or the computer to the newly extended Wi-Fi and open a few website. You can also return to 192.168 and check the extender status page on the models that continue to use and management addresses. Once the setup is successful, unplug the extender and move it to a location roughly half between your router. Make sure the extender still receives the responsive strong signal from the main router. Avoid placing it inside the existing Wi-Fi dead zone. And how to reset Joywin extender? So keep the extender powered on. Press and hold the VPS reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the indicator lights changes and wait for the extender to restart. After that, look again for the Joywin Wi-Fi or the similar setup. Repeat the setup process for setup 2. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.